Let me just close this. What is up, you guys? Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing kind of like a chill vlog style run errands with me. I typically do, as you guys know, like shopping hauls, recommendations, stuff like that, but today I wanted to do more of a relaxed vlog style video. Let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos. And yeah, we have some things that I need to do today. First up, I am getting my nails done. I am kind of disappointed because I really love these nails. I did French with chrome and I really liked them, but within not even only 2 weeks they started chipping like really badly, and that's never happened before. So I don't know if that's from the chrome or just the person who did my nails last time or what, but like they look really bad. They're not even that grown out either. So yeah, I think I'm just going to go with like a plain color this time around, and it is going to be May in a few days when I'm filming this. So yeah, I feel like I want to do something really fun, really summery. I was thinking either a green or like a blue, but we'll see what I end up going with. I also wanted to go to Target because I need to pick up a few things. Like I wanted to get a powdered highlight that is more golden and bronzy because all of my highlights are very like white, silver, champagne-y. I wanted something a little more golden because I did order the ColourPop X Rapunzel or Tangled collection, which I'm super excited about, and I got the liquid highlight that comes with it that is like very golden and pretty, and it made me realize I don't have any powdered highlights like that, and as I get more tan I feel like I really want something like that because it just looks better on tan skin. So yeah, that is a goal for today. I also wanted to buy like some organizing folders for all of my paperwork and stuff like that because mine has run out of space, and I use it for literally everything. Like I use it for all of my dog's insurance and like all of their claims. I use it for all of my personal stuff, my car stuff, my insurance stuff, my healthcare stuff, college stuff, literally everything. So I wanted to get another organizer for that at Target as well, and I might get a drink as well. So yeah, a bunch of random stuff, but today we're running errands, but doing more of like fun errands, if you will, because I mean, getting nails done and shopping, how is that not fun? But yeah, so right now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to film some TikToks on my phone that I can upload later on in the week that will be like nail transitions. And this is currently my phone case, you guys. I am obsessed with it. I picked it up at Best Buy, and then the pop socket I got at Target. I will leave them linked below for you guys if you like them, but Casetify phone cases are usually like $60 to $80, and this one I got for $35, and I've wanted a Casetify phone case for so long. So yeah, if you've been eyeing them, then definitely Best Buy is the cheapest that I have seen it. Like I said, I'll link that below, but let's go get our nails done. Also, I'm obsessed with my outfit today. It took me forever to put this together, so I'm going to be showing you guys, but this green top is from Zara, and then my sweater, my cardigan, is from Brandy Melville. I'm wearing jean shorts that I got from Hollister. I'm wearing a white pair of Hoka's, and then you guys, I switched out my bag since we are going to be in May, and I brought back this Kate Spade watermelon bag. I think it is so cute. And then I have the Tiana's hand sanitizer holder and hand sanitizer in it from Bath and Body Works. I am obsessed with that watermelon bag. I got it and wore it last summer, and I got so many compliments on it, so I'm super happy to bring it out again. And yeah, now let's actually get our nails done. The car. Let's go. Okay guys, I just got my nails done and I am obsessed. I'm so happy with the color that I picked. They had 2 different books full of colors and they number them, and I ended up going with one from the second book, which I don't think I got to show you guys, but wait until you see this color. Ready? I am obsessed with them. I feel like this is the prettiest April, May going into summer color. It is like the perfect like pool blue. It is so pretty. It totally reminds me of aquamarine. It is like perfectly lightly sheer, and it's definitely going to look different in different lighting. So I'm just trying to show you guys all of the different lightings, but I am obsessed with them. I think they look so good. Also, some tea. When I told her, she was like, oh, you were just here 2 weeks ago? I was like, yeah. I was like, actually, this is the first time I've really been disappointed in my nails because I really liked them, but they started chipping so bad, which has never happened before. And she was like, oh, I don't want to say anything bad about anyone, but like really choose wisely who you go to. And I'm like, well, you guys kind of choose for us when we say we need a gel fill. So like now I'm kind of thinking I need to just schedule appointments in the future rather than getting a random person, because obviously if I'm paying between like $45 and $65 for my nails, I want them to last. So yeah, I thought that was interesting. I've been going to the same place for like probably 8 to 10 years now, and I've never had a problem until recent. So maybe I just have to schedule my appointments in the future. But yeah, I am so obsessed with how these nails look. They are so cute. Starbucks is right here, so I think we might get a sweet little drink because I know I'm going to be doing a lot of driving. Let's open up this sunroof back up because it is so nice outside, and there is the Starbucks literally right across from where I get my nails done, which is so dangerous, honestly. Just got a shipping confirmation too for my ColourPop and Tangled order, which I have been waiting for, so I'm super excited about that. I think I'm going to get myself the iced cherry chai because I have been obsessed with that drink. It is so good and refreshing, and chai doesn't have as much caffeine in it obviously as like a coffee, so I think I'm gonna do that today. Hi, can I please do a venti iced cherry chai?
Okay, anything else?
No, that's all.
Yeah, come to the window 688.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, you guys, I just got my drink from Starbucks. This is the iced cherry chai, and it is so freaking good. I typically am not crazy about cherry stuff, but it is very subtle in the foam, and I think it tastes so delicious. So now we are going to go ahead and we are going to go to Wawa and get some gas because my tank is currently at only like 48 miles, and we are going to be doing some shopping, so let's go. Guys, I got gas and I just arrived at Target, and I went ahead and I edited and uploaded a video on my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Facebook page, and that is going to be the second video that I've uploaded today on all 3 of the platforms together. I do separate ones individually, but yeah, so I wanted to get that done because it is now like 3:11 right now. Again, I'm so happy with how my nails came out. Like, the more that I look at them, the more happy I am with them and the color. And yeah, so like I said, I had a few things that I wanted to pick up at Target, mainly just like a golden powdered highlight, and then also, like I said, a folder for all of my paperwork and stuff like that. Also, this is the Gisou lip oil. I did not think it was going to be worth the money, to be honest, but it looked so pretty, and people kept saying this is the only lip oil that like will actually make your lips look very shiny. And it's true. I'm obsessed with it. The sparkles are so pretty and it tastes so good. The shade is so pretty. It lasts so long. So I'll definitely be getting more of those in the future. But yeah, we are ready to go into Target. I think I'm gonna leave my drink in here because I don't want to have to carry it if I'm filming. Hopefully it stays good. I think I'm gonna get this. It's from e.l.f. It's their liquid bronzer. It's only $8. And I've been using the Rare Beauty one. I really like that one, but I wanted to try one kind of like the Rare Beauty. All of the highlights are either pink or champagne, and I want something like golden and bronzy, so... Oh wait, maybe this? No, that's a bronzer. Okay, so this is what I was looking for, so I'm definitely gonna pick this up. It's only $8 too. I didn't find what I wanted, but I got what I needed and one other thing that I wanted. So this is what I ended up picking up. It is this 13 pocket expanding organizer from Up and Up, which is exactly what I needed. Just something where I can store all of my papers and keep it organized. And then I also ended up picking up this e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. I have the Rare Beauty bronzer and I absolutely love it. I use it almost every single day, but I also wanted something a little more cool toned and just like liquidy that I can wear on top or as like a contour in addition to that. So I went ahead and I picked this up. We'll see if I like it. I do really like their blushes. I feel like they are a little too pigmented and harder to blend out than the Rare Beauty, but they're still really good. So I'm excited to try this and see if I like it. I wasn't able to find a warm toned or golden toned highlight, which is so odd. I feel like it would be easier to find that. I mean, I guess I'll just wait it out. I definitely will be going to like Marshalls and TJ Maxx and stuff like that, so I'm sure I can easily find one at one of those stores. But yeah, I didn't end up picking up any today, but like I said, I definitely will be able to find that soon. I'm not really sure where I want to go next. I definitely want to go to Costco at some point today, so I'll take you guys along with me for that. But I'm debating on if I want to go to Marshalls now or not. I feel like I don't really need any more videos or content for like quite a bit, so I don't really have to go. Maybe I'll save that for another day when I want to go shopping and don't really have anything to do. So yeah, I think we're gonna go home and make some food, eat some lunch, and then we'll come back to this area and go to Costco. Okay, we just got home. I have all of my goodies and I realized that my car is like super dusty and it honestly looks like it just needs to be wiped and cleaned. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'm going to show you guys all of the products that I use to keep my car clean. I really gotta throw all this out too. This is all from today. Also, look at how cute this bag is. I got it from Trader Joe's. So this is everything I use. This quick interior detailer cleaner. I think you could get this at Marshalls and stuff, but I pick it up at Target. And then I also use this, which you can get at Target. It's Armor All Leather Care with Beeswax. It is so good and it smells good too. And then I ordered this off of Amazon. It's that like sticky gel to clean off dust. And then this I got at the car wash, but you can literally get them anywhere. It's the new car scent from Little Trees. And then I just use a microfiber cloth. Made the easiest meal I could have possibly made, and then we are going to be going to Costco. This is like one of those craft shaped mac and cheeses. It's so good. I feel like these look fine. I feel like these look fine too. Cantaloupes. These look so good. Yum, these look so good. I usually put the mozzarella balls on all of my salads, but I think I'm gonna do feta this time because I think it'll last longer. I don't think we need eggs.
I just put the
but milk.